Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to briefly go over Never Would Have Made It by Marvin Sapp in the key of C. There's really one progression that repeats through this whole song, so I'm just going to focus on some of the voicings that you hear on the original recording. Okay, so let's start off by playing it in a basic form. Never would have made it. Never would have made it without you. I would have lost it all, but now I see you've been there for me, and I can say. So the basic progression, you're starting off on a C to a B minor 7 flat 5 to an E7, passing A flat diminished to A minor, D dominant, G minor, C7, F major 7, E minor, A minor, D minor, C over E, F, F over A, G over B, and then C. Now, to add some of the extra voicings, okay, so you saw some voicings there. Okay, let me go through those again. So instead of playing just a regular minor 7 flat 5, you can play this B7 sharp 9 flat 5, which is a D minor on top of B7. You can also do this sharp 9 sharp 5, right? And then we're going to play this. Now, this is an E7 flat 9 flat 5. You start off by playing this C major to this B flat while holding E7 in your left hand. And you could play this. Alright. Now this is a D dominant, playing a B minor in your right hand and dropping it half steps. Okay. Alright. You can do a G minor 9 to a C9 13. Okay. This is F major 9. Okay, this E, and then watch this. Okay. Alright, so that movement there. So it's A minor, A flat diminished, C major 6, like a little Barry Harris movement. C over E, D over F sharp. You're going to play this F minor over G7, which is a G7 sus4 flat 9. Never would have made it. Never would have made it without you. I would have lost it all, but now I see you were there for me, and I can say never would have. Okay, so that voicing there, you're going to be, after you play this C here, you're going to play this. So I like to think of it as a F major going up in half steps. So an F major with a D fourth. So it's like a fourth interval. Or another way to look at it, you're playing a whole quartal chord voicing with major thirds on your right hand. Never. those are some of the voicings that you hear. And then okay, let's do it again. Never would have made it. Now you can always do this E7 flat, sharp 9, sharp 5. Okay, so voicing there, you're here at this F major 9. That's a B7, sharp 9, sharp 5. To an E7, sharp 9, sharp 5. Diminished passing. So, for some of the voicings here, you have some different options. So when you get to the B minor 7 flat 5, you also have the option of playing a B7 sharp 9 flat 5, or also the sharp 9 5, sharp 9 sharp 5. Okay, and then when you get to the dominant E, instead of E7, you can play this flat 9 flat 5, playing that C major, that B flat. You also have the option of doing, so this is a G minor, let's make it an E7 sharp 9 flat 5 to a flat 9 sharp 5. It's like it's inverted. Okay, another option is this E13 flat 9. So to see them all in context, watch this. Na, 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 na. Or never would have made it, or never would have made it. Okay, so another one is so that's playing an E flat to an E, and on your left hand you're playing the D. So, okay, and then we also have the okay, and also we have the okay. So let's play from start to finish, and you can see it in context. So, never would have made it. Never would have made it without you. I would have lost it all. But now I see you've been there for me. I can say, never would have made it. Never would have made it without you. I would have lost it all. But now I see you were there for me, and I'm stronger. Wiser. So much better. So much better. When I look back over all you brought me through, I realize that I've had you to hold on to. Okay, that was a brief run through of Never Would Have Made It. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be back with some more tutorials.